Just got my UPlus 12 volt AGM car battery. If you're an EV owner like me with my 2022 Ioniq 5, you might be aware that some OEM batteries can have a shorter lifespan. Mine lasted just 2.5 years. If you're experiencing similar issues with your electric vehicle, whether it's an Ioniq, Kona, Leaf, Bolt, or any other models, and are considering an upgrade, make sure to check compatibility first. After researching extensively and confirming compatibility, I decided to upgrade to the UPlus AGM 12 volt battery for my Ioniq 5. Here are the top questions I had when selecting the UPlus battery, and here's what I found out. 1. Is it maintenance free? Yes, thanks to its non-spill AGM construction. 2. How does this lifespan compare to OEM batteries? It is up to 4 times longer cycle life than the standard conventional battery. 3. Is it compatible with start-stop technology? Yes, this is confirmed by the product info and other positive customer reviews. Now let's see how easy the installation is. So once you open the hood for the Ioniq 5, you open this up. What I do is, if you can see my left hand, I place it on this side, and my right hand is going to lift this up. There's a little bit of force, so it comes off, okay? So don't be afraid to pull it up. This is a 2022 Ioniq 5, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and this is a regular lead acid battery. It is cheap. It is the reason why a lot of people experience failures after 2 years, and we, right on time, 2.5 years, this thing died on us. You will need a 10mm socket wrench. I'm going to start with the negative side. Now let's remove the positive side. So once these two are out, there's one more bolt here. We need a 12mm socket wrench. So this part comes off. Put it here safely. To remove the battery, just use the handle. Use your muscle and pick it up. Here's a new one. Before we secure it, let's check out the voltage. Voltage is 12.77. Again, voltage is 12.77. Brand new battery. First thing we're going to do is going to secure this back. We want to make sure it's secured back to the top right. Nice and secured. Let's reverse it. We're going to put the positive side in. Positive side secured. Now let's get the negative side. We're good. Check the voltage again. So it should be lower because now it's connected. So we had 12.77 without connecting. Now let's check it out. 12.53, which is normal. I think we're good to go. Let me try to start up the car, and we are done with the switch. Car started real good. All the windows work real well. Obviously it's an EV, so you can't hear, there's no engine roaring, but everything looks good. All right, time to put everything back. So the way you put this back, same thing, you place this on top, and you can just gently push it down. I push it down the top and the bottom here and here. That's it. It just snaps in real nice. Let's close this up. Clean. We are good to go. All right. Thanks for watching.